Oh, sorry guys. Setting up the camera. And I hope you guys can see it well. Okay. Oh, sorry. I was in a rush. This video won't be as good as the other ones. This one was, sorry, rushed. So, hope you guys enjoy some BO3. I will be 1v16, 6 bots on recruit because I basically just got the. I've heard a lot, so I'm using a shotgun, aka a hail maker, because it's a spammy and I feel like it will do good. This will be a hard challenge, honestly. I won 20 points. These bots could catch up actually and win. Fairgrounds. We can also talk about how this thing looks like. It was just, I don't know what it looks like. Why it even looks like that? You guys may know what it looks like. I mean, so you guys won't, and that's good. Already off to a bad start, guys. This challenge is not for the heart of love. This is the heart of death. Honestly, they're already catching up. Yeah, this challenge is going to probably be really hard. Sorry for not really talking. And also sorry for not having really editing. This is really my first time. I think I've only been doing now YouTube for like an hour. Not really a full on day. I'm having fun actually making these little stupid clips of just doing stuff. I hope you guys are also having fun time watching me do these things. Don't forget to maybe hit that post notification bell when I can get a new video on Saturday. I will only really be uploading on Saturday. So yeah, you don't really need to hit that bell. But it would be really appreciated if you did. Oh gosh. Yep, they'll get you. They'll find out a way. Good thing I only need. Wow. I think that was maybe one of the quickest videos. Well, for like a full on thing. We only made it to the 4-minute one. Let's watch the kill cam. So you can see I threw the C4, detonated, and it blew up. So, tune on next time. This is so dumb. See you next time. Bye.